So I'm ready and waiting for a resin private workshop to start in a little while, and I thought while my studio's all clean and tidy, I'll do a little quick video show through of my gallery and studio. So this is the stairs leading up to my space. Top of the stairs we have a beautiful photograph of Tasmania by Jamie McCrill. Coming round, we come into, that's my clean studio named Clean Canella. If anyone was around when Lisa Marvin and Canella were teaching each other how to bloom and how to Dutch pour, it was a bit of a private joke between the three of us when I was naming my studios. One's Clean Canella, where we do clean workshops like macrame, that sort of thing, and my painting workshop is down there, that's called Messy Marvin. So, into the main gallery. I'm in the process of changing things around. This was my small gallery. I'm actually going to move all of that into the main gallery, into here, and turn that into office space. We have some beautiful watercolours by another local artist called Brett Gale, some more of Jamie's photography. The rest of my resin room door is about to come into view. I named this the Glaty room because at the time Chris Glaty was my resin hero. So there's the Glaty room, that's my resin room. It is an absolute tip in there. We're doing our resin work down in the Messy Marvin studio today. So we'll just do a little quick walk down there. Toilet, utility cupboard, resin drying room, other toilet, laundry room with sink, big storeroom, and this is my main studio. So this is where I do all my painting and run most of my workshops. It is called Messy Marvin. So, whiteboard with workshops on them. At the moment it's set up for the workshop I'm running today, which is a short resin class where we do trays or boards or vases and tumblers. Over here we have storage, paints and mixed paints and pre-mixed paints and all my pouring mediums and mixers. All the way across back, that door in the back there is my paint drying room. Don't know if you can read. Very important for artists, I think. My UV supplies over in the corner there. Things set out for today's workshop. Through here we have a little kitchen. If anyone's been following my videos recently, there's a painting that I've done recently that's just curing, waiting for its own coat of resin or varnish. These are what we're doing today. And so that's my studio space.